Day 1 as a chef on a yacht. I flew from Orlando to Philadelphia to go to our friend's wedding, and then the next morning I got right back on a plane and flew down to Miami. And for the last leg, Miami to Nassau. Took a taxi to the marina and got right to work. For cocktail hour, I'm making a prosciutto wrapped cantaloupe with some more fruit and nuts. While the guests were enjoying the appetizer, I got started on dinner prep. I decided to make the owner's favorite meal. It's my favorite meal to cook and to eat as well. Thai red curry. Cut up some bell peppers, zucchini, and bamboo shoots. There is a cookbook coming in the future, little chef, but if you want the recipes now and access to cooking classes, check the link in my bio. While I was cooking, the stew set the table upstairs for dinner. Captain Mark came into my galley for some camera time and now on to dessert. The owners of the yacht are no sugar, so we're doing a healthy dessert. PB2 powder, yogurt, and swerve. The crew helped with some dishes, and then we went out for drinks. We got the whole gang, Captain Mark, Brian, and Gina. Bye, little chef. As a chef on a yacht, I don't just cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. About 2 hours before dinner service, we have cocktail hour. I'll make a signature cocktail of the night or open up a bottle of wine and pair it with an appetizer. Around 5 o'clock every day, cocktail hour begins. We'll usually have it in the salon of the boat if it's hot outside, but if it's nice, we'll have it on the bow. There's a lounging area up there with a little table that's perfect for service. Having the guest in a separate area than where dinner's going to be served gives us some space to set the table and get everything ready. It's just a nice transition into dinner. I go to the bow of the boat, let the guests know that dinner is served, and they make their way to the upper deck. And it's like magic, the food's just there on the table, ready to go. And the appetizers I serve for cocktail hour are not just random, there's definitely thought that goes into this. For example, I'm not going to serve dumplings as an appetizer if we're having Italian food for dinner. Tonight, the guests are getting prosciutto wrapped cantaloupe, marinated yogurt balls, nuts, and fruit. Bye, little chef. The owners of the yacht love to rank the dinners that I make, and my Thai red curry ranked number 1 last year. So for day 1, of course we gotta give the people what they want. For the vegetable prep, I cut up some bell peppers, zucchini, bamboo shoots, and Thai basil. Tonight, I'm using chicken as my protein, but typically I use beef. I know y'all have been asking for recipes, so good news, a cookbook is in the works. But right now, you can get my Thai red chicken curry recipe and cooking classes from the link in my bio. If I'm trying to impress someone, this is the dish that I make. It's so simple to make, but the flavors are so complex. You've got sweet, salty, spicy, and that umami from the fish sauce. Everyone loves this dish except for Captain Mark.
Bamboo shoots, don't eat those. My owners, I came down the steps and I smelled something and they looked at me and they said, Cap, what's that smell? Are we having a sewage problem?
Stop it! Don't make fun of my food. The owners of the yacht follow a low glycemic diet, so making desserts with no sugar can be a little challenging. But here's a recipe that I made tonight that turned out pretty good. I did some PB2 powder, some plain Greek yogurt, and some swerve sweetener. Formed them into little cookie shapes and tossed them into the freezer. Then I melted some Lily's chocolate and coated the bottoms with it. These were the healthy cookies, but now let's make some unhealthy cookies for the crew. I don't know about you, but I always follow the Toll House cookie dough recipe. I'm not a huge fan of baking, so I'll make a big batch and store these in the freezer to be ready to pull whenever I need them. The crew definitely has a sweet tooth, so we have dessert every night, whether it be cookies or a creamy. Yes, the Ninja Creamy is on board. I spoke to the owners of the yacht before I got on, and I told them how great it was, and they tested it for themselves, and they love it. So for all of you that thought creamy content was over, you're wrong. Stay tuned for the creamy content. Bye, little chef.
Hi there. Day 1. Abby's in the house. Dinner's almost done. Dessert is served. Peace out, little chef. Over there. I know. Mm-hmm. How do I know when it's recording again?
You see the red light right?
Oh yeah, got it. You mean the big red light that I'm missing? Yeah, that one? Mm-hmm. How's the food, Abby? Peace out, little chef.
What do you think of bamboo shoots, Mark?
Bamboo shoots, don't eat those. My owners, I came down the steps and I smelled something and they looked at me and they said, Cap, what's that smell? Are we having a sewage problem?
Stop it! Don't make fun of my food.
All right, we're here. We have our new team member. Jerry retired at his young age. This is Brian. We're doing the dishes for Abby. Here we are. They're all clean. They're gonna go in the dishwasher. Day one, Brian, no Jerry. He's out and retired. Peace out, little chef. So here we are at the bar after a nice first day of work with Abby, and we have a problem.
Big problem. I just flew into Nassau, got to the marina, and Captain Mark said, we're going out for drinks. So we went to the local bar, saw some local dogs, and sat down to listen to the big problem.
So, if you look at my shirt here, it's got 3 stripes. If you look at Abby's, it has 3 stripes. If you look at Brian, it has 3 stripes.
Oh, Brian, you want to be on?
So Brian has 3 stripes. My wife Gina has the 3 stripes, Captain stripes. Captain Gina has 3 stripes. We are all her employees. She is now the captain of the vessel.
Wait.
I'm filing a protest.
She gets darker gray and captain stripes? What the heck? Big problem.
Who takes care of the wardrobe? Gina.
I made the crew Little Chef sweatshirts, so let's go turn them into Little Chefs. If you want to be a little chef, check the link in my bio. So I headed down to crew quarters to get into my cabin. You really can't hide much on this boat because everyone's up in your space, but I hid them in this pink bag. All right, this one's for Gina. I have a surprise for you, Gina, as well.
What is it?
It's for you.
Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next one for Brian, the first mate.
What? Nice. Nice.
It's cute, right?
It's awesome. I love crew necks.
Everyone's gonna be a little chef here. And last but not least, Captain Mark. Look what I got for you. Isn't it cute?
Hi, little chef.
Yeah, it's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Peace out, little chef.
That's what I should have put on yours. Okay, bye, little chef. I love you.